Probabilmente conosci le parole inglesi seesaw o flip-flop, ma capisci queste? These are called reduplicatives, a word with two parts that sound very similar. Teeny weeny, a tiny amount, piccolissimo. Do you want another glass of wine? No, I shouldn't. Okay, a teeny weeny one. Argy-bargy, discussione o lite. There was a lot of argy-bargy at the office this morning. Yes, our pay rise was a teeny weeny increase. Willy-nilly, adjective or adverb. Disordinato, disordinatamente, a caso. Okay. Hey, don't just throw that down willy-nilly. Have some respect. Nitty-gritty, i particolari, i dettagli. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, shall we? Yes, before we start the argy-bargy.